2D Mask 2. Color Koi Mask 2 coming in hot is this great new mask that covers your ugly face but lets people know your expressions just like your regular face. Cutie Mask 2 animates your expressions in LEDs and it even has an LED mouth that opens when you speak. It's fully customizable to match your look. Forget scanning your own mouth to show your facial expressions are blinking your own eyes when these LEDs can do all the work for you. The Koi Mask 2 has inbuilt motion recognition triggers that can recognize what your face is saying. There are three different types of masks to choose from, each with subtle difference, and there are 50 built-in bright effects that let you make up like never. Buses. Buses back to the officer mandates and are happening everything, but the good news is if you can those dull meeting spaces into something special with LM Plus from a buses. This is a very attractive wood-based project that is completely demandable and produces optimized brightness for the surrounding space. But what makes the LAMP Plus incredible is the project component that makes usable and interactive touch screen. Your finger becomes the mouse and the tracking is for LAMP Plus project in full HD and has a built audio. The project out a 360-degree. It has a 95 centimeter table to surface area and you can use AirPlay Comex. Miracast is comes in three different colors: walnut, black, oak, and for those who want to make the space match, you can buy matching tables and chairs. Meet Mesa, it's getting hotter and hotter and it's not letting up now. You can set up the ultimate mini bar outside and keep yourself cool with the Meet Mesa. Is an AC powered mini bar that has a 20 L capacity fridge and built-in ice maker. It can handle a whole bunch of different power supplies, making your spot where the party is. The Meet Mesa has built-in mosquito repellent and full channel speakers as well as 8 USB outputs and 4 different wireless chargers. Sports Plus, it has 7 RGB ambient lights. The Meet Mesa makes 15 kilos of ice in 24 hours and it can produce small pieces or 7 big eyepieces depending on what you prefer. Use it in an outdoor desk it's and power supply. Most eco nature bathing. We have seen it on social media. It's great for us, but rarely in this day and age in the busy world we live in. How do we enjoy the outdoors? Well, you can inside with the Most Eco from Most Lab. Most Eco grows lives most and uses leaves to mimic sunlight, giving you a functional green area that helps you relax. Most Eco provides nature inspired sounds, and when you can water your Most Eco is with the smart spray and get visual cues. And Most Eco futures and old school rotary knob that lets you switch between different moods. There is a wake up mode that display sounds to help you get your day started the right way. There is a clock mode that presents to the time, day, and weather information. But when you ready to party with the Most Echo, you can switch the mimic music mood and see sound waves represented. When you are ready to wind your day down, change over the sleep mode and listen to the tranquil sound of nature and lull you sleep and stand up. We have logger TV producer Haki MaxV next appears showcasing a marriage between teach and fusion with the MaxV cap, which lets you mix and match weather and build Bluetooth headphones. That is the Haki, and they are wearable sports headphones baked into a cap. These are bone conducting headphones that come with 8 hours of music on a single charge and they have a Bluetooth chip that's version being bone conducting. They are completely open air and the visual is a fully covered brim so it's keep you looking fresh. The music have dual noise cancelling so you can run and be here. No other outside noises are coming through. The uptube technology is fully patented so that's pretty cool and it's waterproof to IPX5 so you can play in the rain or just poorly sweat it out. Wobot Mini Dog. Before Wobot Mini Do, there's a hub out there that's more than just a USB expander or a timer. There's a dog out there that takes your workspace to the next level, and the dog is the Vote. It's a smart display that has a dual Pomodoro timer and it allows you to add custom apps. You can also add in custom apps that you develop yourself. The mini dog sends the to-dos so you can see all your to-dos easily and you can also see your hardware performance at a glance as well as weather warning, stock price and games. See your music, mirror your screen and even extend your display. Govi Music Singbox. This channel, then you have seen some of amazing Goi products that light up world. Well, we are showcasing the new Goi Music Singbox that brings it all together. With the Music Singbox, you are able to sense even going devices and ensure they are moving in a time to the music. And speaking of music, this little box has 22 different music modes with accurate pickups. All you have to do is just place it close to the music source and boom, you are enjoying a full concert experience. The battery lasts over 50 hours on a single charge and it supports all of the smart slides charge.